welcome to the channel. Today we are going to make roses with crepe paper. First, we will cut to pieces of paper with the same size as this. Pink for the petals and green for the leaves. Use the stick to curl the edges of the paper. Gently pull it to the sides like this, until you feel it looks natural. Use the stick to secure it, then glue the two sides of the leaf together. Just like all the other leaves we've made in previous videos. For the stem, wrap it with floral tape like this. For the edges, cut them in a zigzag pattern like this. We'll use this foam ball for the center part. There is a famous legend about the rose. The rose has long been a symbol of love and romance. Since ancient Greece, the rose has been associated with the goddess of love, Aphrodite. According to legend, when Aphrodite's lover was wounded, she rushed to his side to save him, and her blood turned the rose petals red. In addition, there are many other legends about roses, all of which speak of love and romance. Glue the petals one by one like this. Since the petal steps are repetitive, I'll speed this part up a bit. Now we have a finished flower, everyone. Let's start on the stem. First, we make the flower sepal. attach the leaves now. For each flower stem, you just need to attach about 2 or 3 leaves. Use a round stick to curl the petals more to make them look nicer. So we finished this video. If you have any suggestions for me, feel free to leave a comment or send me a message. May you all succeed with this flower. Thank you everyone. See you in next video.
Cảm ơn các bạn đã xem video. Nhấn đăng ký để xem những video mới nhất nhé.